Look at that waterfall right there. Isn't it so nice? If you get tired to see our in four corners, you just need to wear your VR and then be here and you can like unwind from the comfort of your couch. See, waterfall right there and one right here, and so nice the rock mountains formation, nice. And I can go over here. How I go over there? There. I can go over here and look around. This is the bird is flying. A nice garden. Yeah. Nice sounds. Oh, right there. Dang, I can see my recording. I don't like to see the recording right. It's not real. How I remove that recording? Why this recording is following me? Hello, get out of my way. Oh, look at this. You can go. Ah, look what I see. I have to get up. I was sitting. Now I get up. Nice. Wow. So nice. Mm, look at this. You can hear the water and the view. So pretty. It's like heavenly feeling just from the comfort of your home. So the Mitaquis tree really, and if you feel like down, you would like to unwind, just go into the Mitaquis and then you can be right here. This is just the entrance, and then it's too many right here. You can go scuba diving, sky dive in the world. And then this is the my favorite one because you can fly to any country and you can do roller coaster and going to the cruise in London. Then if I get tired, I need to pump my blood. I get to dance. There you go. It's too many. And then or Batman, play Batman. So many you can download a lot of things here. Mm, everything is here. Okay, dokie. I think I have enough to upload.